Hey guys, how's it going? I just wanted to record this quick video. This is going to be actually the last assignment. This is a PowerPoint assignment, so similar to Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel. We are going to do PowerPoint now. We only have this one assignment in PowerPoint for this trimester, so we're going to go ahead and get started on that. If you're looking for the video for Google Slides, which is the same thing as Microsoft PowerPoint. It's similar to Microsoft PowerPoint the way that Google Docs is similar to Microsoft Word. So we're going to go ahead and open up PowerPoint here on the computer. I've got a desktop shortcut. Okay. You can also find it down here. If you want to do this in Google, totally fine. You're going to have to check out the other video though. Okay. Guys, let's go ahead and open up a blank presentation. And the first thing we want to do is save it. So I'm going to go to File, I'm going to Browse, we're going to go to Save As, Browse, and I'm going to type in class schedule, your last name. Okay, save it right there. All right. Hopefully this should start to make sense once we get this started here. So I took out slide number 8 for this assignment. I took out slide number 8. That's totally fine. So what we want to do, we want to have 9 slides total. Okay. The first slide is a title slide. So if you remember Microsoft Word or Excel at all, you'll recognize this top area right here. This is where all the tools are, the toolbar, the buttons for everything that we need. So let's go to Insert, because that's what it says right here. It says Insert, okay? And I'm just gonna go to New Slide. And the first one is a title slide. That's what we have here. The next one is the next several slides are going to be title and content. Okay. All right. So there's 3. All right. Here's what I'm going to do. I right click on the slide and I'm going to go to duplicate slide here. That's what I'm going to do until I have 8 total. Now, not 9, just 8. Let me double check the assignment here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I'll do one more here. Actually, the last one, let's go up to New Slide. And we can do a title slide on the last one. Okay, guys, pause the video, add in your 9 slides, and then we're going to start to fill in this this area. So go ahead and pause, and then come back to it. Okay. All right, guys. Now the first step. Let's go back here. First step is title slide. Okay. Title slide. I'm going to do my name, and then I'm going to do class schedule, 3rd trimester. All right, looks pretty good. Looks kind of boring. We just have a white background, black text. It's a little boring. So here's what we're going to do with these slides. We are going to add in a background image. You can do a background image or you can do a background pattern. I'll show you how to do both of those. On this one, we are going to do the background pattern. Okay. So on the first slide, I've got the first slide selected. I'm going to go to Design, and I'm going to come over here to Format Background. This little pop-up thing comes up, and we have a solid fill, but we could choose a different color if we wanted to. We could do a gradient fill, which means it kind of transitions for different colors. picture or texture fill. So we can do textures if you like that or not. Let's see here. Or a pattern fill. I like the pattern fills. I think they're kind of cool. That's kind of cool, but I want to make my font look better, look cooler. You can use a different font if you want to, decorate it how you want to. That's cool. Make that a little bigger. And I want to make this a little bigger or bolder so it stands out. Maybe a different color as well. Yep. Okay. All right. I'm going to come back here to the background. Now here's something that we want to. You can change the foreground and the background of the pattern to give it some different colors here. Now I think that looks pretty good. I'm going to go on to the next one. Okay. Now this would be a lot funner if we had a normal trimester, if we had a normal school. But so right now, let's go ahead and type in first hour. Let's type in whatever your first hour class is. Let's see. If my first hour class was math, I would just type in math, and type in your teacher's name. Okay. And type in one thing that you learned. It might be a little challenging because we've done this whole online school thing this trimester, which is really weird. But let's see here. Let's type in one thing that I learned in math class this trimester was, okay. And then if you hit enter and hit tab, you can just type something down there. Honestly, I have no idea what you guys learned in 8th grade math. It's been a long time since I've been in 8th grade math. But, fractions. Nope. You guys have already learned fractions. Integers, is that a thing? I don't know. All right. You can just leave it like that. If you've learned more than one thing, you can type in let's see. What I learned in math class this trimester was integers, fractions, additions. I don't know. All right. Okay, that looks pretty good right now. If you click on it, you get this right here. So here's what we're going to do with this. Okay. We're going to go to Format Background, and we're going to go to Picture Fill, and we're going to do Insert Picture From, and we're going to go to Online. Okay. If you guys remember way back when we did some Microsoft Word stuff, you might recognize this. I'm going to type in math class or something like that. Okay. Hit enter. I'm going to uncheck Creative Commons. And just choose like a math related image or an image related to the subject that you're doing. And then let's see, insert. Okay. Now, this is something that I feel is kind of cool. And we have a background image, and then we have the text on top of the image, and it's a little hard to read the text. Okay. So here's what we're going to do. See this transparency option right here, okay? If we drag the slider over, what it does is it kind of fades out the background image, okay? I'm going to go to about 74, 75%, okay? Now we can still see the image, but it is easier to read the text, okay? This is, at the very least, this is what you need to do for each one of these. You don't have to do advisory. So do first hour, second hour, third hour, fourth hour, fifth hour, sixth hour. And then on this title slide, you can just add a fun image or type in end slide, or you can type in the end, okay? So this is what it looks like. All right, now pause right here. We've got just a couple more steps to go. They're pretty easy right here. Pause right here and create each one of your classes right here for the sake of time. I won't be doing it, but you guys should fill in each one of your slides with each class, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth hours, okay? Pause the video, come back, and we're going to talk about transitions and animations, what that means. Okay. All right, guys. Hopefully you've got this taken care of. We're on to part 6, add animations. Okay. Animations. Okay, this is add an entrance and an exit animation to pictures and text. We're not going to do both. Okay. For this assignment, just choose entrance or exit. You do not need both of them. And then we're going to talk about transitions. Okay. So animations, it's right here. Okay. Animations, you use animations for text boxes or for images. Okay. Right now we just have text boxes. We have this one, the title, and then we have this one right here. Okay. So I'm going to choose this one down here, and I'm going to choose one of these animations. Okay. Let's go with that one. Did you see it kind of went quickly? So if we do something like that, you can change the duration. The lower the number on the duration, the faster it goes. The longer the duration, the longer the duration, the slower it goes. Okay. All right. So just do one of these for each one, and then now let's see. I will do the fly in. Okay. All right, but this just says 3, so we have 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. This is the order in which they will appear. Okay. All right, so this one, let's click on this one. Let's go to reorder animation over here in the top right corner. Let's click on move earlier. Okay. So now the order is 1, 2, and then 3. Okay. If we were to preview this, I'm going to go to slideshow and present from current slide. Okay. Now we can go, I can click, and that comes up. Click again. Teacher is Mr. Brady. What I learned in math class this trimester was blah, 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 blah. Okay. You need to hit escape to come back here. Now that's good. Okay. Now let's talk about animations. You can pause the video right now. You can go through, add some animations, and then come back here, and we're going to talk about transitions. Okay. All right, guys. Now for transitions, we have different slides. Okay, the animations are applied to specific items or specific elements on the slide itself. Okay, like this and this stuff right here. Okay. All right, but transitions are applied to the entire slide. Okay, so I'm going to come up here. I'm going to do a fade on that one, and I'm going to do random bars on this one. So now, if we come back here to the title slide, and we do from beginning, okay, watch the transitions happen real quick. Okay. All right, and then that's an animation, 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 and the next click should be the transition to the next slide. Okay. All right, I don't have anything on that slide yet, but there it is. So guys, do the same thing, copy this format. You obviously use different information and different background image, but do that for second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth hours. You can even do something fun on the end slide. That's up to you guys. You guys can add in a fun animated GIF if you want to, if you know how to do that. I won't take the time to show you how to do that, but as usual, please let me know if you have any questions. Congratulations on finishing digital literacy, and good luck with the rest of your school, and have fun this summer. We'll talk to you later. Bye.